بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين. سلام الله عليكم أحبابي في الله. أنتم على مدونة شبكة التقنية طريقك نحو التفوق، واليوم في قسم التكنولوجيا جلبت لكم اختراع جديد، وهو عبارة عن مكبر صوت بجودة عالية. يمكنك تشغيل البلوتوث ربطه مع يعني هاتفك، والاستماع إلى الأغاني انطلاقا من هاتفك وانطلاقا من المنتج نفسه. المهم لا أطيل عليكم، جلبت لكم الفيديو وسوف أعطيكم إياه. هو الفيديو، فرجة ممتعة وإلى اللقاء.
Our range of portable speakers features both the Beolit and the A2, but with the A1 we really want to create a speaker that is more personal and invites to be picked up and be taken places. We wanted to create a speaker that people didn't want to leave their homes without, which is only achieved by solutions where design and acoustics complement each other.
The challenge was obviously to make high quality performance in as small as possible volume. In the brief I was handed by B&O Play, a certain amount of volume was specified. We explored many different shapes and ended up focusing on the rounded shape.
So delivering on the concept, which posed a very flat profile design, we had to do a custom driver specifically for the A1. That included redoing the acoustic engine and moving it all the way up to the front of the membrane, and redoing the membrane in aluminum material to cope with the heat. We use aluminum as the primary material, both because it's the material that disperses heat in the most optimal way, but also because it's the material that ages with beauty, and it takes dents and scratches from various adventures, and you're able to date a specific dent back to a specific mood or place, just as music brings you back to a specific state of mind.
Colors are very important in all my projects. I try to bring them in as soon as possible. They are so defining for the whole design, bringing emotions and creating nice atmospheres.
I'm super excited with the A1. I think we delivered on making a speaker that made design and acoustics come together in a beautiful concept.
What I'm most proud of with the A1 is that we actually managed to get great sound into this small, smooth shape.